This week is Severe Weather Awareness Week in Florida, and today at 10 o'clock, the National Weather Service will be conducting a practice statewide tornado drill. So your kids at their school, maybe some workplaces, will take part in this. The Weather Service will send out a test message over weather radios. You may get an alert on your phone. Some towns may even run the sirens for a tornado warning at 10 a.m. This is all a drill. No severe weather expected today. And this is a good reminder to think about and practice about what you would do if there is a tornado warning issued for your town and your community. We are in our thunderstorm season for severe weather. In the winter months, we can get cold fronts moving through here, and sometimes they can produce severe weather. Nothing